This is Natia. I am from Ozurgeti, Korea region. Today I present, and my workshop topic is about presenting vocabulary through visual, kinesthetic, and auditory styles in lower grade. I think this topic is very important because the presenting vocabulary is very important part of the lesson, and it's very important students to learn them effectively. And for this, we have to use different approaches to increase their productivity. For this, today I chose the topic for the lower grades because I think presenting vocabulary in lower grades is a little bit different and a little bit difficult. And we have to use different methods to engage the students. My first part will be practical. I will deliver the demo lesson. You will be the students. Now imagine you are second graders. It is September. Okay? And today we are learning colors. Now look at the board and name colors with me. Blue. Blue. Yellow.
Yellow.
Red.
Red.
Brown.
Brown.
Green.
Green.
Pink.
Pink.
Purple.
Purple.
Orange.
Orange.
Black.
Black.
And this paper is white. White.
White.
Once more. Blue.
Blue.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Red.
Red.
Brown.
Brown.
Green.
Green.
Pink.
Pink.
Purple.
Purple.
Orange.
Orange.
Black.
Black.
Okay, good. Now let's listen to the song.
Let's sing a song about colors. Let's sing the colors song. Blue, blue, what is blue? The sky is blue, the sky is blue. Green, green, what is green? The grass is green, the grass is green. Yellow, what is yellow? The big round sun is yellow. Orange, what is orange? The pumpkin is orange. And brown, what is brown? Brown is the earth in the ground. Let's sing a song about colors. Let's sing the colors song. Red, red, what is red? The butterfly's red, the butterfly's red. Pink, pink, what is pink? The flower's pink, the flower's pink. Purple, what is purple? The eggplant is purple. White, what is white? The snow that falls is white. Black, what is black? Black is the sky at night.
Okay. Now let's listen to the song and chant. Let's sing with this.
Let's sing a song about color. Let's sing a song about colors. Let's sing the colors song. Blue, blue, what is blue? The sky is blue, the sky is blue. Green, green, what is green? The grass is green, the grass is green. Yellow, what is yellow? The big round sun is yellow. Orange, What is orange? The pumpkin is orange and brown. What is brown? Brown is the earth in the ground. Let's sing a song about colors. Let's sing the color song. Red, red, what is red? The butterfly's red, the butterfly's red. Pink, pink, what is pink? The flower's pink, the flower's pink. Purple, what is purple? The eggplant is purple. White, what is white? The snow that falls is white. Black, what is black? Black is the sky at night. Let's sing a song about colors. Let's sing the color song.
Thank you very much.
That
Thanks.
was good.
Now, I will give you the papers and markers.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay? Kids, now I will name the color and you have to color the smile with this. Now, color the first smile with blue. Color with smile blue.
Which one is that?
Color next smile with yellow. Yellow.
Which one is yellow? Which is your type? That is yellow.
It's orange.
Color next smile with red. Red. Now answer my questions. What was the aim of this part of the lesson? What did I want to achieve in this part? How did I present the vocabulary? And why did I use different ways to present vocabulary? Now work in pairs and discuss.
So the aim of to teach vocabulary, colors. To teach 9 colors. I wanted my students to learn colors. Yes.
Presented the vocabulary.
How did I present visually? Visually.
Learning by doing.
She used different colors, flowers, and then the song as well.
So at the same time,
Why did they use different ways of vocabulary? The first, for example, showing the pictures of different colors, that was for visual.
song was for auditory
And also kinesthetic as well. Yes, coloring.
So all kind of
Learners
are well involved.
And she reinforced she also reinforced the vocabulary several times, First then, flowers, then repeating, then song, and then coloring.
Learning styles, developing styles.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me, what was the aim of this part of the lesson?
Color.
To teach colors.
To teach 9 colors.
To teach
Colors.
yes. How did I present the vocabulary?
Using
Yes.
In 3 ways. You know, first you used the flowers of different colors, so visual aids. Then you presented it with a song, and then you asked us to color. Yes.
Why did I use this method? Why did I use? Okay.
Because you wanted to meet the needs of 3 different people having different learning styles: visual, auditory, and
Yes, you're
kinesthetic.
true. Yes. That was my aim because in our classes we all have different learners: visual learners, auditory learners, and kinesthetic learners. Okay, what visual aid did I use? What visual aid did I use? Poster. What auditory? Really?
Song.
And what kinesthetic? Coloring. Coloring, yes. As you mentioned, we have in our grades different kind of learners. What are they? Visual, auditory, and kinesthetic back styles. Okay, visuals see it, auditory hear it, and kinesthetic do it. Okay. How do visual get the knowledge? How visual learners learn better?
Through
By
seeing
seeing
something, reading or seeing something, like pictures, visual aids.
Yes. Visual learners gain knowledge by best by seeing or reading what they are trying to teach. Next one. Auditory learner gain knowledge best by listening, as we mentioned, and kinesthetic learners do best while touching and moving. And it has also 2 subchannels: kinesthetic, movement, and tactile. Touch. It's very cool. Now, I want you to work in groups of 5. You 5 work together. You just have to move. Sorry.
I'm fine.
You will join this. You 5. You 5. You 5 together. 5 together. You 5. And you have to join another group. Now, I will give you different set of vocabularies. Each of the group will be given different words. You have to think how would you present the vocabulary in your classes using these methods. For example, visual, kinesthetic, and auditory.
Maybe pictures. How we introduce these words to different words.
Maybe
Have the same.
You have 10 minutes to think the ways how we would present the vocabulary.
No, not toys. For example, bring a kinesthetic children.
Who will be group number 1? Okay, you. Now tell me what vocabulary did you have and how would you present in your classroom? Today we don't have time to do like in practice, we just need the theory. How would you do this? And tell me.
Okay, so we have action verbs such as sing, dance, climb, work, whisper, and so on. So we decided to find the song with these action verbs used in it and show at the same time while playing the song or listening to the song, show the video with pictures or I don't know, different movements mentioned in the song, and through miming do different actions. So it will involve all 3 kinds of.
Okay, now tell me what
So for visual learners it will be miming and also watching. No. No, miming is also for visual learner. It's kinesthetic and also visual, because when a child sees the teacher miming the action, why not? It could be visual. But when they themselves are doing something, it could be kinesthetic for them. And for visual learners, it's also good to show video with these actions. And for auditory learners, to sing, to make them listen to a song, which is, yeah, song against song, yeah.
Thank you for sharing. Okay, next group. Tell us what words did you have and how would you present?
We had vocabulary connected with weather, just the words like cold, hot, windy, rainy, snowy. And for visual learners, we have also chosen a video or maybe a song. Just listen to the song connected with weather. For auditory learners, we had a song, a game song. And for kinesthetic learners, we had miming. For example, to mime, for teachers, just says cold, it's cold, children. They have to just or shake or make some kind of movement. It's hot, it's windy, rainy, or something like that. It's warm, cool. Yeah, and pictures as well. Pictures for visual. For visual learners.
Okay, pictures.
Flashcards as well.
Yes. Okay, and you? What did you decide? What vocabularies did you have? Food?
Shall I start? Okay, our vocabulary is food, and we decided on the following. So for visual students, we can make slides containing different pictures or food, or just make usual pictures and show these pictures to our students. For auditory, there are numerous songs and even poems about food, so we can make them listen, read, or read ourselves, so that to make our students listen to this poem or sing
Reading?
Some kind of
You
song.
mean reading, yes? Reading poems?
For example, I'm reading and other are listening. Yeah,
reading
something
and
like. And yes, even composing a song. And kinesthetic, for example, we can bring not only pictures, but at home we have some toys, or maybe we can go and buy lollipops. Can bring apples. So we can put them on the desk and ask our children. So please go and choose what you like. And for example, the child will go to the desk and take, and he will say, "This is an apple," for example, or "This is a lollipop."
Yes. Thank you very
Also,
much.
maybe using as for kinesthetic students would be a good idea to use a memory game. You can put these objects on the table, give them a minute to look at the table, then you cover and hide one of the
good
things,
way.
and they have to name what is missing.
And
And maybe matching activity also would be good. Pictures, matching the pictures with word cards.
And one more that is very fun for kids is the activity called Grab It. When we put different things or names of different objects on the table, and then we tell our students one of them, for example, pizza, and they have to grab it, and it's very competitive and fun for kids.
Okay, thank you. As we see, for visual we have posters, video, picture and flashcards. For auditory learners we can use song, composing, and reading and listening to it. And for kinesthetic, coloring, miming, relaya, memory game, object matching activity and grab it. Okay, good. Now I want you to work in pairs again, and I will give you the questions. In pairs, you two? You two? We will three, maybe. Okay, you three, because you don't have here. Now, how can you use this, modified if necessary, in your classroom? And name one advantage and one potential problem in applying this method, what I did here, in your classroom. What do you think? Now, work in pairs.
Do you see any problems? Dominating is this. Reducing colors. Vocabulary to use this modified if necessary in your classroom. You can do it with different topics, food,
Okay, are you ready? Yes. Now let's tell me, how can you use this modified if necessary in your classroom? How will you modify this activity, what we did? Yes.
How would I modify it? Actually, this can be done with different topics. I mean, introducing different vocabulary, like numbers, for example. First introduce numbers, then there are numerous songs about numbers, number songs, and then they can write or do some kind of matching, or one of my favorite activity of my students is touch or point to. I write different numbers on the board, and it's a competition. It's a game and competition. They play in pairs. So go to the board and point to the number that I name. Okay, so it can be modified.
And what is one advantage of using this, and what was potential problem in the classroom? What can be a problem using this method in the classroom?
So it makes us noise as we are teaching the low graders. But if it is working noise, then it may not be counted as a problem.
The noise may be a problem. Okay.
And sometimes shy students won't be involved in the process of learning.
Especially when there is a large classes, it's very difficult to control everyone, and someone will try to escape from the group, and it will be.
How can you? What can you do to solve this problem? How would you solve this?
It's difficult question.
Yes, adapt the task. That's why I asked if you can modify it
According to their levels.
Yes.
According to their abilities.
So we may distribute the task and assign one part of task to the to A students and to B students. So they will have their roles, and all of them will be occupied equally.
Assigning different
sometimes,
roles.
as we have also already mentioned, this method can cause noise, but if we give them clear instructions, and if each student knows his or her role, I think that this noise might be somehow clear.
Yes.
Okay, we really like the set of activities you offered now. That's a really good thing, and we really, in this case, we pay attention to all students having different learning styles, and this is good because to be more specific, in most cases teachers themselves are visual learners, and they focus on visual learners, students I mean, and that's a good one. But as for disadvantage, I can't say whether it is disadvantage or not. I want to focus on one kind of risk, I can call it. This is choosing appropriate material, like songs. It's not easy, the appropriate vocabulary for. Sometimes the song is really nice and pleasant to listen to, but not easy to follow. It still depends on the level of students. It's not easy. It really needs your time and attention to choose authentic material properly. This is the thing I wanted to mention.
Thank you. Thank you for your active being active.
Thank you.